Friends, welcome to my channel. Dhanesh here. In this video, I am going to discuss about this keyword. Let's start. So this keyword from this diagram, you can understand it's a reference variable. It refers to the current object. As discussed, this keyword, there can be a lot of usage of Java this keyword. In Java, this is a reference variable that refers to the current object. That's what we discussed. See, these are all the places you can use Java this keyword. This can be used to refer current class instance variable. This can be used to invoke current class method instance variable. Class method can be invoked. This can be used to invoke current class constructor can be invoked. This can be used, this can be passed as an argument in the method call. It can be passed as an argument as well. It can be passed as an argument to the constructor call. It can be used to return the current class instance. So these are all the uses where, these are all the places you use this keyword. I will, show you a Java program in Eclipse IDE. If you see this program here, you have the class, my class. Here you have the int x. See, I have passed that variable to the constructor. My class is the constructor. And again, I am using this keyword here, this dot x is equal to x. And inside the main method, I am creating an object, my class, my object, and the variable x is, I am passing it as 5. And I am trying to print that object dot x. Then we will try to run this program. See, value of x is 5. So that's all about this keyword. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot.